There's one thing that you will notice when you do the entire walls. It skips over the curtain walls. So each one of the curtain walls is not included within the dimension run. So what we need to do is we need to go back and edit our dimension. So what we need to do is where we want our dimension to be included, we'll select the dimension run. By doing that in the contextual tab, we have the edit witness lines. So we can add and subtract dimensions. So if I select that, now attached to my cursor is the dimension. I then select the openings and they are added to the run. If you wanted to remove them, hold down Shift and click. So again, like all the others, if I press Escape or Enter, like so, it'll also remove the witness lines I've added. So what I need to do, place my witness lines, move the cursor away from the dimension run again and click. So we can do the same for here. Move the cursor away and click.